reach, press 1 or say directory. If you're calling about newspaper billing, delivery, or digital support, press 3 or say customer service. For a list of departments, press 4 or say departments. To speak to an operator, press 0 or say operator. All of our agents are currently busy assisting other callers. Please press 1 to leave a voicemail message. You have reached the voicemail for the Washington Post. Please leave a brief message with your name, number, and the reason for your call. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Patricia Figueroa from Hamilton, New Jersey. I'm calling to urge the Washington Post to cover the U.S.-funded Israeli attacks on hospitals in Gaza. Your outlet has failed to cover the massacre at Kamal Adwan Hospital, the last major medical facility operating in northern Gaza. The hospital's director and pediatrician, Dr. Hussam Abu Safiya, and staff members have been abducted by Israel and are currently being held at a notorious torture camp, Sde Timan. This is one of countless severely underreported attacks on Gaza's entire healthcare system. The public relies on the media to be unbiased. Israel knows the media isn't covering its attacks anymore. Will you increase your reporting on this story immediately? I also want to add that the Israeli Defense Force murdered Dr. Hussam Abu Safiya's son in front of him. Dr. Hussam is a pediatrician, as I stated, that is the director at Kamal Adwan Hospital. His son also worked with him at that hospital. They murdered Dr. Hussam's son in front of him at the entrance to Kamal Adwan Hospital. They also shot and injured Dr. Hussam, and Dr. Hussam still refused to leave the hospital. He refused to evacuate his patients until he was forcibly evacuated. There is a picture of Dr. Hussam that the Washington Post has refused to publish that has still circulated globally online via social media of Dr. Hussam walking alone towards Israeli tanks amidst rubble and buildings that have been destroyed by the Israeli Defense Force. One man alone against an empire. He is a pediatrician, he is a doctor, he is a medical professional. Dr. Hussam is protected under the Geneva Conventions. He is being illegally detained at Sde, S-D-E, Timan, T-E-I-M-A-N, detention center. He is being beaten, he is being stripped, he is being tortured. He has been beaten with batons. He has been brutally whipped. I need the Washington Post to stand up and do the right thing and report this and stop suppressing this story. Happy New Year.